Right now the prices of gold and silver are dumping towards the downside, facing a correction after a huge parabolic pump for the last couple of weeks that happened, you already know. And well, I already knew it that this will happen soon, that a crash will come, most of the people will lose their money. And how I knew it? Well, it's clearly very simple, and I'll be discussing that only in my today's video, and also covering crude oil as well, what is happening on crude oil. I'll be discussing each and everything in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. I'm on the crude oil's daily time frame chart, and if you have watched my previous commodity special video, you already know I informed you guys that I will be entering in a long position in crude oil if the price of crude comes approximately till 55 or $54, then only I'll take a long position in crude, or else I'll not take any trade. And as you can clearly see, the price went above from $56 right over here. Well, I did not enter in any trade, and the main logic was simple. And let me just in a concise manner, if I remove all the drawings right over here, you can clearly see the prices of crude oil right now is dumping towards the downside. It is in a downtrend, as you can clearly see over here. And kindly ignore the background noise. From August of 2023 till now, approximately 2 years has been passed, and the prices of crude oil is just dumping towards the downside. You can see high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and this is a new lower low, or I would say this has to be a new lower low only if it goes below the previous low, which is at 55.5. so if the prices of crude oil drops below $55.1 level, then we can say a new lower low is formed, and after that we can see some bullish pressure towards the upside. But that exactly did not happen, because last week the prices of crude oil pumped towards the upside. Well, as a result, right now I'm not taking any trade in crude oil. I'm waiting for the prices of crude oil to still dump towards the downside, as I said, below $55.1 to be exact. Then only I will take a trade, or else I'll not take any trade right now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You already know I will only take some big amount of confident trades only if the price of crude oil goes above $65. And if it does not, then I'll not take any big amount of trades. I will only take small trades only. And this is all no financial advice. These are just my own personal analysis on what I think, on what can happen in the prices of crude oil, and how I will react according to it. And well, in the next couple of weeks, to be quite honest, I don't know, anything can happen in the prices of crude oil, because obviously it is very very uncertain because of all the macroeconomic news in the world, and right now it's just volatile and uncertain. For me, it is better to not take any trade until and unless the price goes below 55.1, and that's why for me I'm not taking any trade. Obviously, let's just wait for the prices of crude oil to reverse either towards the upside or downside, then only I'll take a trade. But yeah, that's pretty much it for crude oil. As you can clearly see, after a huge parabolic pump towards the upside in silver and gold for the past couple of months, the prices are dumping towards the downside. And this dump exactly came when you saw some viral videos about people queuing up in line to buy gold and silver, and well, they are getting greedy, buying on the top when retailers are entering in the market. And if you watched my last commodity video, I already informed you guys about the top being made on gold. Exactly, and approximately near it only when I made the video, the prices of gold dumped towards the downside, and right now we can see a huge bearish engulfing candle, because obviously after a huge pump, buyers, now they got exhausted, and now buyers are entering in the market.